today is 15th of April 2026, and we are it's like a 12 p.m. and we are in the house of Robin Taylor Rosalind. The claim number or the address is 4527 Banner Street, North Brentwood, Maryland. The zip code is 20722, and the claim number, let's see there. The claim number is 2098H3117S. If you see, that's the back of the house, and then that's the front switch right there. That's the front of the roof. And if you see, we're gonna try today to do the repair. I have the shingle right here, the new one, and try if the repair is possible to do it. We're gonna use these tools. That's the snake bar, and this is the shingle we're gonna try to repair today. The first thing we're gonna do is remove the shingle seal. Remove the shingle seal. And if you see, let's have. If you see, we don't have no creases on the shingle right now. And the first thing we're gonna do is remove the nails. Okay. That's the first one. That's the first one. Get the second one. Gotta use my glove. I'm lifting it up. I'm not lifting up more than 3 inches. Trying to not damage the shingle. See, that's how I lift it. No more than 3 inches. I'm trying to not damage the shingle. Okay, got it. Got my hammer, and that's gonna be the new nails right here. I'm gonna start with the first one. This is the first one. That's how I nail it. And if you see the ground, it start coming off. The ground start coming off. Get another one. Okay, if you see after that shingle replace repair, if you see the granules, it already came off. You see the granules on the shingle. You see the massive granule of loss. You see, and that's the problem with the shingle, because when we lift the shingle, like manipulate it, and then the granules coming off. You see, that's how is the granule coming off. You see on these shingles right here, and then right now, if your winds come again, this shingle is gonna be a premature, like this one, because it's a new seal right here. This is not gonna be a problem, but on this one, when the wind's gonna come again, it's gonna lift it, and then it's gonna damage again. And this one, if you see right now, the mat is exposed to the UV, and then this shingle is gonna create hole, and then right now means this shingle it's not good anymore. And if you see, maybe you're gonna say because you are a second, because you know, maybe I'm sweeping it with the glove like this one, but if I do it on these shingles, the ones I didn't touch it, you see, it's not granule coming off on these shingles. Why? Because these shingles, they are not manipulated yet. And then if you see this one, if I just do it this, the granule is not coming off. For this one I do it, you see these granules right here, it's already came off. Right now this shingle is damaged. Instead of repairing the shingle, we're creating more damage. It's not only that, if we see right here, that's the main point. This is the main point. The repair cannot be done. But right here, if you see, we have a damaged shingle, and to replace this shingle, we gotta remove the ridge cap. And if you see the ridge cap, it's inside, tied into the ridge band. Now, right now, all of the ridge band is gonna be replaced and remove it. And it's not only that, if we see, if we try to repair all of those shingles, we're gonna damage more shingles. And like if you see here, you gotta remove that, you gotta remove the ridge band, you gotta remove the ridge cap, you gotta remove these pipes, the electric ones, and then we gotta overlap 6 inches of felt on that side. You see this side right here, we gotta remove the panels so we are able to do the repair. My suggestion on this one, as a professional on the roof, as a roofing contractor, it's a full roof replacement. I'm on the front side. If you see, they already tarp it up because it's a leak right there, current leak. Okay, right now, if we see it, we have a shingle damage on the valley, and if we try to repair the shingle on the valley, we gotta replace the ice and water shield on the valley. It's gonna be 18-inch on the one side and 18-inch on the other side due to the IRC 2018 that's adopted by the Prince George County. If you see, that's the valley. To do the repair on the valley, it's impossible. You know, we gotta secure the water tight into the valley because that's where the water meets. If you see right here, this is another thing. This is the shingle. To repair this shingle, we're gonna remove these solar panels on this side. And then same thing right here. If you see on the other side, that's a shingle missing right here. It's in the valley, and to repair this, it's gonna be impossible, which is the valley, and then we gotta install the new ice and water shield. My recommendation on this roof, it's full roof replacement. If you see the ridge cap, it's tied into the shingle there. You see, that's inside. And then we gotta remove all that shingle, gotta remove all this, and then it's not impossible to do the repair. So you see on this side, we have missing shingles, and then we have shingles nearby the solar panels, and we gotta remove all of that. These shingles, we already tried to repair it and it fails. My recommendation is a full roof replacement as a professional on the roofing industry. Thank you.